So welcome to my channel. Well, today is one of my favorite days in Makati, Philippines. It is Sunday and they close off the roads, some of them, Ayala Avenue, Paso de Rojas, Makati Avenue, and a few others until 10 a.m. so you can bike and run and walk and just enjoy it without any traffic. And I'm actually starting here at Ayala and Paso de Rojas, right on the X. And usually there's a lot of traffic here during regular work days, but look at these beautiful buildings. They actually go all the way to the sky. And I'm right here by the Ninoy Aquino Monument, and we'll check that out later. I'm gonna make my way down Ayala, all the way down till I can turn around and come back. You can see it right over there. See all the folks. Okay, gonna make my way down to the turnaround point. And if you want to know a little about Makati, it's more or less a banking district here in Manila. I think all along here are all banks, most of them. See how they separate, right? You got the bikes, the walkers, the runners. I think I even have to move over the side a little bit.
There's another question. I have another question.
So here's a Union Bank. We get some good sights of the area. I mean, you normally can't do this on a regular day. I mean, it's just so much traffic. I've done this like, I don't know, 3 or 4 times, I think. And also stop at Ayala Triangle Garden, and they have they got some exercise movement going on over there. See what's happening. My first stop right here in the center divide. Sure, it looks like from the rear. So that's neat. I think the turnaround point is the last stoplight up there. Try to walk all the streets. See these folks coming. Looks like they're doing some work on that one. I'm just amazed at the architecture in these buildings. Just amazing. If you haven't been down here, give it a travel. It's worth it. Look at this one. Straight up and up and up. I definitely get these steps, and by the time I get done with this walk in all the streets, usually I put in about maybe 12,000 steps. Here's another shot. Right here in the center divide. Well, close to it. Kind of go, oh.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. You know, if you're able to, you know, get out and walk every day, you know, put in, you know, 20 or 30 minutes of easy walking, that'll be good for you. What I like about Makati also is they have these underground walkways all throughout, and it's really safe to you know, cross without having to deal with all the traffic.
Oo nga, gawan natin.
So this is the turnaround point of Ayala and Salcedo. Okay, gonna make my way back the other way to the other turnaround point. And if you're enjoying my little walk here, please let me know in the comments. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate any people that subscribe to my channel. I really do. What a beautiful morning. Really get a good feel of this area when you're able to walk the streets without the traffic. You get to know it pretty good. Made it back to where I actually started from, and I'm going to continue on until I get to the end, and then turn around and go to Ayala Triangle Garden or Park. There's the monument across the street. Gonna hit that. Let's see if I can get some shots again from this side. I'll get right here in the center. There you go. Gotta get a little bit here. Good morning, sir. You can see how everything's very well marked on where you're going. That's one thing I like, is you're never really lost when you're here, because it's very easy to follow on the GPS, and you got those nice street signs to kind of guide you along. Got some jams going on over there. I believe that's like an open air theater there at the Ayala Triangle. Okay, I'm going to take a shot right here. Intersection of Makati Avenue and Ayala Avenue, and right across the street is this really cool fountain at the Peninsula Manila. I've actually been inside that hotel, and it's a very beautiful hotel here, and I've never stayed in it, but wouldn't mind giving it a try. I still gotta keep going. So one thing nice about this walk is it does provide you with a lot of good shade for most of the distance. Although, you know, there's some spots that, you know, really you got the sun beating down on you, but for the most part it's pretty nice. Almost up to the turnaround point. Definitely get the cardio load going. I'm going to show you this little intersection here. You got the Glorietta over here. What's that, Rustin's? I think that's a shopping place. Got some parking areas. Back to Makati Avenue and Ayala Avenue. Right here at this beautiful fountain. Once again, been up close for kind of. Got a long line here for something. Maybe it's to get one of these vendor drinks or something. Got some good background music going on. That usually affects the YouTube video, so I don't know how much I'm gonna get in here. You start running into copyright when you have that. Then you gotta erase it out. Hopefully I can do that. Yeah, that's what the line is. It's electrolyte drink. Free drinks. Can't beat that. Got little vendor sections over here. I'll show you around here. This is Ayala Triangle Gardens. It really is a beautiful park. I've been through here several times. Absolutely great place to enjoy the day. And Christmas time, it's awesome with all the lights. Good view. Now all along here they have these little coffee shops. They got some construction going on the left over here.
Anong tawag ko sa ganun? Color wheel. And hindi lang color game. Ayun. So mag-aaral tayo ng giveaways. Apart from the energy X-Boom Buds, meron pa daw tayong additional giveaways. So stay tuned. And I'll give the mic to LG to start this. Parang wala. No?
Back to Ayala Avenue and Makati Avenue. I'm going to make my way down Makati Avenue. So, just left the gardens. Didn't want to spend too much time over there. But starting here at the Peninsula Manila. And the turnaround point, there's another kind of like a little monument down there too. We'll check that out. Getting back to that Peninsula Manila hotel. On my last trip, it was like December last year, I was able to go inside the lobby and see that. So they let me in, and that was a really good experience too. I'll put a link below if anybody's interested in seeing that video. If you want to know a little bit of history of that hotel, it was opened up in September 14th, 1976. So I mean, really it's not that old. It's just unique. What I've been told is a lot of celebrities stay there. Coming up to my turnaround point up here. And I've almost done this entire walk. Got some dancing going on over here in the roller skates. There you got, I believe that's Sultan Kudarat. I think I pronounced that correctly. Down Paso de Rojas, and I'd like to see if I can get a good video of the Nino Aquino monument down there. I was there the other day, but obviously I could not get the front of it because of the you know, the way the traffic is. But see if I can get that. There's a good shot of this street with it. See how the canopy of the trees are. This is the end of this video of my beautiful Sunday morning walk here in Makati, Philippines. It's really been quite a joy, just kind of seeing all the folks out biking, walking, running, having a great time. And incredible views on streets that are closed till 10 a.m. And if this content helps you out, please consider hitting the like button. It really does help out my channel. And I hope to see you in my next videos somewhere in beautiful Philippines. So Later.